Let us begin with the water resources. Rain is our main source of water. We use water for agriculture, industries, and other daily needs. In India, it rains during a specific period, but the rainfall is not equal in all places. In some areas, it is heavy and in some other areas, scanty. This water is available to us in the form of rivers and lakes on the surface of the earth. It is known as surface water. The rivers flow and then join the sea. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground and either flows under the ground further or gets collected in some place. This water is known as groundwater. The unequal distribution of rainfall in India causes the Brahmaputra, Kosi and the Gandak to flood. The heaviest rainfall is at Cherrapunji and Mausinram. In Rajasthan and to the east of Western Ghats on the Indian plateau, the rainfall is very scanty. Hence, there is a great shortage of water in these regions. In India, water resources are utilized mainly through rivers, lakes, natural and artificial tanks, wells and bore wells. The rivers in the northern plains have water all the year round, hence river water is used on a large scale. The rivers on the southern plateau flow for a limited period. Dams are constructed and the river waters are sent to distant areas through canals for irrigation and other uses. Some important examples of this are the Hirakud on the Mahanadi, the Jayakwadi on the Godavari, the dam on the Damodar, the Bhakra Nangal on the Sutlej River and the Rajasthan Canal. Besides irrigation, water is used for producing hydel power and for fishing and tourism too. Places that have scanty rainfall and those in the rain shadow region make use of groundwater through wells and bore wells. Where the rocks are non-porous, tanks are constructed and water is stored for use. We should use water carefully and stop wastage and pollution of water, maintain groundwater level, and thus make proper use of our water resources. Next is marine wealth. 3 sides of the Indian mainland are surrounded by sea. There are stores of marine wealth on the coastline, in the seawater, and on and under the seabeds. This wealth obtained from the seas and oceans is known as marine wealth. We find aquatic animals, coral and pearls in the sea. Other treasures from the sea are the minerals found on the seabed in a pure form and natural gas and mineral oil found under the seabed and salt from the sea water. The salty sea water gives us salt, have salt pans that produce salt in plenty. The seabed on the western coastline is very shallow and the waters are warm. Fish and other aquatic animals are found in plenty in this water. Fish is used as food and for preparing fertilizers and medicines. Fishing is carried on in the coastal areas from Kutch up to the Sundarbans. Pearls and coral are obtained from some aquatic animals. They are used to make jewelry and medicines. Gulf of Mannar on the southern coastline is well known for this. Valuable resources like mineral oil and natural gas are obtained from the sea at Mumbai High. Oil and natural gas wells are located here. Thorium, a mineral important for the generation of atomic energy, the minerals in the silt brought by the rivers get deposited along the coast and on the seabed. These minerals are mostly in a pure form. About 71% of the Earth's surface is occupied by the seas and oceans. In future, we can get our resources from the seas. The utilization of aquatic animals, plants and mineral resources will increase in future. It is therefore necessary to use these resources in a planned manner. Let us get some information about the consumption of water in India. Of the water utilized in India, 92% is used for agriculture, 5% for industries, 3% for our daily needs.